Generally, before purchasing any new equipment, tools, or maintenance materials, the quality manager reviews the specifications to ensure that GMP requirements will be met. Also, upon installation of new equipment, the quality manager generally conducts a food safety inspection before commissioning to ensure that the equipment as installed meets GMP requirements. An equipment commissioning checklist is attached to this training for your reference. Here are some general guidelines for what to look for in new equipment: a hygienic design and operation, and easy access for cleaning and sanitation. Surfaces that are non-toxic, non-absorbent, non-reactive, non-corrosive, and smooth and easily cleanable. Surfaces that are paint-free or finished with a food-grade material. The absence of bolts, nuts, or other fasteners that may become loose and present a foreign object hazard. Or, at the very least, that these items are mounted on the outside of the equipment for easy inspection and control. Face plates on gauges, sensors, or sight glasses that are made of a shatterproof, easily cleanable material. Gearboxes and bearings on the equipment that are located outside the production zone, or at the very least, if still in the product zone, that are sealed or capped or equipped with a catch tray to prevent leakage of lubricants onto the product. Belts that are equipped with quick releases or other access points to enable cleaning around the belt pulleys. Also, that belting material is easily cleanable, preferably without cloth backing. Conveyors that are equipped with solid, not hollow, rollers. Electric and control panel doors that seal adequately and are easily opened for inspection. Calibration that, if required, is traceable to national or international standards if available. Generally, the quality manager maintains a record of all food safety approvals for equipment, materials, chemicals, lubricants, and tools that are used in the facility.